Hello everybody, this is a Lamley unboxing. We are doing Matchbox 2019K. I believe instead this is the D case. They're going with these letters. We could call it Mix 4. Maybe that's the better way to go because they use letters here, but this is the fourth mix of 2019. I think. I'm pretty sure. We got to open this up and we got to see. I think I've done the quick case report on these before, but Mattel sent this case over to me. Occasionally they do send me the cases to open. I just got a Power Grabs case too, which I'll open up as well in a different video. But let's just get right to it and see what is in this 24 count case. As always, two ways to look at these cases. What is obviously inside and what is in multiples, so that if you do come across these in the store, what you can expect to find. So I think these have been in stores, so we're just going to walk through these really quickly. And we'll get right to it. Yes. Okay, so we start with a brand new casting for 2019. This is the 35 Ford pickup. You got to see the artwork with these models. Wheels are a little bit different than the art, but that's okay. Obviously, this is done in kind of what a rat rod style. Abe Lugo, who's one of the designers, really loves these kind of vehicles, so it's cool to see him doing this one. You know, you don't see too many modified cars like this from Matchbox, but this is a really cool one, and I think you guys will all be happy to see that there are two in there. Plus, because it's been a while, I cannot remember if this is new to this case or not. This is the Volkswagen Caddy delivery. It's been a long time since we have seen that that model. All right, next three. Two of the Dirt Destroyer. They're kind of slanted in there, so there's the artwork, which is kind of a big modern tractor. And then busting through the blister is the 89 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. I'll say that right. So that's a repeat from the last case. Two of the Ridge Raider. Ridge Raider's been around for now 11 or 12 years. There are a cajillion of them. I'll give you a challenge. Go see if you can collect all of them. There's some toughies. There's like a holiday one in gold that's really tough. And then there's the Flatbed King. But it's a cool casting, rally-style vehicle, yeah, tons of them. That and the Desert Thunder. There were so many of them done. All right, another new casting, licensed like the Ford. This is the Nissan Nv van, done in a Matchbox, like an airport shuttle style van, which is very cool. There is the artwork, looks good. There are the two. And then there's the International TerraStar, which I think is the second time, the ambulance, that we have seen that. So I like this casting a lot. Some people say it's going to be too small. I get that, but with Matchbox and with Hot Wheels, when you're doing such a variety of cars that Matchbox is doing in realistic styles, you got to go with what fits in the blister. So that's why they look like that. That's why it looks just as big as some of the small cars, but still, I think it's still think it's kind of cool. All right. Oh, this one's nice. Nice to see the Mercedes-Benz Unimog U300 back in the main line. Took a long gap off when we didn't have the Mercedes license. We saw it last year in the Mercedes set. This one looks really cool. What does it say on it? Melton. That might be one of the designers or something. But that one looks really good. Maybe I'll showcase the Unimog. And then 85 Porsche 911 Rally. Another one of those, which has proven to be very popular. Lots of fans of that one. All right, Bay Brigade, two boats. And then the Dodge Charger Pursuit police car. Looks really nice. Whoa, almost dropped it. Did drop it. I won't tell you which one I dropped. Okay. 89 Chevy Blazer 4x4, modified casting, used to have the antenna. We've seen it in the modified version for a while. This one looks nice, really clean. I'm trying to figure out what the deco is on that one. It's really hard to tell, and I can't. If I get too close, then I can't. Some of you guys who have better eyes than me can tell me if that's a licensed deco. But two of those, and then the 47 Chevy AD 3100 repeat as well. And then finally, last three models of this batch. Seagrave fire engine, two of those. Nice to see that one. Always kind of a classic looking Matchbox. I like the gold rims on it. And then another version of the MAN TGS dump truck. So, new models in this one. The van, the Ford truck, the Rat Rod Ford truck, I think that's going to be your most popular model of this one. Of course, the Porsche Rally will be picked up no matter what batch it comes in. Next batch, I think we're going to see a convertible Mustang and a brand new Dodge Charger casting. I think I've teased those before. Maybe, I know the Charger I have. I don't know if I've shown you the Mustang. But those come in the next case, which will be out very, very soon. Thanks, everybody. Bye.